How to fix WhatsApp verification code problem. Hello guys, and welcome back to this video. On this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem, so just keep watching until the end, and I am sure that this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again here. And now on this page, all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds and it will take you here. Scroll until you find WhatsApp. When you find it, click on it. Now here, first thing you have to do is click on this option. It's called force stop. After you click on it, now go to this option. It's called storage. Now right here, click on clear data and clear cache. After that, go back to the home page or the settings and go to the wireless and networks. Now make sure now here to enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Now that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and if the problem didn't fix for you, then you may be having a problem in the SIM card, so make sure to restart your phone and try again. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.